Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create an income statement in Microsoft Excel. We can also say profit and loss account. What is income statement? An income statement or profit and loss account is one of the financial statements of a company and shows the company's revenues and expenses during a particular period. How can we create it in Microsoft Excel? Let's see. First go to the file and new and office template tabs, search income statement. And now there is a 3 income statement here. Now select first income statement and download. Now income statement is ready. Just type the company name here. And time period. What is the time period of income statement? Just type here. And financial statement in US dollar. Revenue is, if you just type here the gross sales. For example, gross sale is $50,000. Now less sales return and allowances. For example, sales returns are $1,000. Net sale is 49,000. Gross sales minus sales return. Now net sales is 49,000. Now understand the cost of goods sold in income statement. Beginning of the inventory, for example, we have 1,000 inventory and add purchases. For example, we have purchased 1,000 inventory more, and freight is $100, and direct labor is $100. Indirect expense if have $20. Now inventory available is amount is 11,220. If you have ending of inventory, just type here. If I have 5,000, then cost of goods sold is 6,220. Now gross profit is 42,780. Now type the expenses. Advertising expense if have, just type here. Amortization is have, just type here, and I type the commission $50 expense, and interest rate is $75. Office expense is $100. And telephone expense is $30. Now total expense is $255. Net operating income is 42,525 because it's minus the 42,780 gross profit minus total expense. Now you can have net operating income. If you have other income, gain and loss on sale of assets, you can type here. Interest income, if you have, just type here. For example, gain on sale of assets is $200 and interest income is $100. Now net income is 42,825 because net operating income plus other income plus is equal to net income. You can create income statement in Microsoft Excel by using Office template very easily. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.